we are back for part 2. And we already finished the video where I won, but my stupid brother, he had to delete the video because he was salty that he lost.
It was an accident.
And Max has fried with himself 690 coins in 2 games.
Okay, I guess he had to do a second game all over.
Yes, but remember, people, I won the first one, which my brother deleted. Hello. Why is everyone quiet? That's unusual for Ari.
Why are you so fat, boy?
I didn't even speak English. Alton YT, Watchdog is watching people. Don't mind my brother.
I'm clearing my throat.
That's what our dad does in the middle of the video. Oh, don't mind, we have a pet pig in the house.
Wild pig, my brother. Yo, I think you're gonna win.
I think I was dead.
What? How does he go from 6 to 2? I think I'm gonna J-hop.
Cause you suck.
I'm gonna J-hop in front of my base. I'm gonna go J-hop in front of here. Never mind.
Red Wither died.
Red Wither died. Damn it. No!
Hey, yes! Was Legendaria. This wood is gonna destroy you! If you lose to this wood in a hole...
This wood, you're racist.
Mm-hmm. I
Oh
don't
my
like
god, he's getting that many coins this time.
And he can't say anything.
Yes, I won the
Because
first.
his wither's already dead.
Oh,
That's your
teammate.
teammate, Galvi.
Hello, how you doing? Not doing so great. I won the first game. My brother deleted that
That was
video.
on accident.
That was not on accident.
Wait, I deleted it. You deleted
No,
it.
I did not.
Yes, you did delete it.
It was Galvi.
No, oh my gosh. They both gang up on it. How did you steal?
Green is very far from dying. I'd finish them.
I can't kill them at 48. Well, at least my teammate will buy me time when he dies. Why are you going for me? Because I'm the pro?
Yes, you're not the pro though.
I remember this map. One video was
Ah! Okay, that was the worst thing ever. I am now deaf. I'll get back to you. Actually, never mind. Yeah.
Yeah, I was on the leaderboard.
I'll be back.
Awful! 423 coins. Wild animal.
Please, Galvi.
No!
My
I won the first
Okay,
game.
you won
Now I'm gonna lose this one!
You won the first game, but did you win the overall?
But then you deleted the video! You annoying!
I don't know if I deleted
Do you quit?
No! Well, alright, boss. I might as well go get up some kid. My
Yes.
brother and his teammate's gonna be so good. And then they're gonna carry him. I think there may be a possibility of him doing worse than I did.
There's no possibility.
If I still win this, you guys both suck. Well, Max is out of it, practically.
Huh? Huh?
Don't mind him, he's a bit weird today.
I'm
That's
I'm weird.
Yeah, our dad, he just came in, he's like, Ari. He's trying to cover it up. Right now, he's putting a finger over his mouth, smiling, thinking that he did nothing. You can only beat people that suck.
He doesn't suck though, he's better than you.
You accusated him.
This is an Enderman.
Your wither is
That-
pretty much dead.
Oh, my brother, he accusates everyone he sees.
That Enderman
Everyone
was...
who's better than him has to see. He had to see.
But do you not?
Gobby, you might win. He only has 3 kills.
Yeah, I don't know how he
That's
managed
not
it.
good. Jake, like, from State Farm. Do you guys know that guy? I do.
I bet people who are watching it don't, because they don't want to watch ads. He's trying to get a lucky kill. Look at this guy. If someone kills you right now, I win. Because Max, he's basically not a player.
Yeah, did you just assume his gender?
What? That makes
You
no
just assumed his gender!
I said he's not a
Okay, police, guys, the police have arrived at our house. My brother is going to jail.
Okay, you're being so dumb.
Channel's changing for the better.
I said you're practically not competing.
Oh, yes, Blue's dying. I could come and kill them off, but I might not.
Can you shoot the wither with arrows?
No, I wish you could.
You should be able to shoot the wither with arrows.
I could sneak up. But that idiot is standing.
Why is he an idiot? Are you assuming his gender?
Maybe. Oh, dang it.
Yes!
You're dead.
Yes! He's
Yeah.
dead! He's
Yeah.
dead! Yes! Baby Raptor! Baby Raptor loses! Oh my, how do you guys both lose 2 tournaments? Unless the Max can pull something up. Or Dennis just said something. I don't know what
I got
he
this
said.
in the bag.
What? Wait.
He's gonna delete this video. I'll say it in this video. 360.
Max might beat me.
Oh my god.
This is time for a victory.
How did you have 3 kills already and then die?
I don't play mini walls. Mini walls is for noobs.
Feeling some teammate help right here. Some,
Oh.
MVPs, maybe 5
Yeah,
on the same
this
team.
time
as well
I
as
am
me.
gonna upload this video.
Where am I?
So my brother doesn't delete it. It literally asked him, so, do you want to restart this recording? They click yes.
It's like, yes.
I wasn't reading.
Yeah, he can't read. He has an issue.
I have an issue.
Yes, you have an issue. You're like a baby raptor screaming in the last game.
Says the wild pig.
This is how the pros do it. They watch people go by. What team am I on? Yellow, okay.
Yeah. This is the exact. If you saw.
Oh yeah, if you guys didn't know, in the previous part, I had like 588. My brother had like 400 something, and Max had a whopping 257.
Yeah.
Come in for clean. Clean. Is clean a thing? That's a Minecraft term. I know that. That's mine. That's mine. That's a dub. That's a dub.
You might beat me.
Get one re-kill! Get one re-kill! No, kill the wither. Kill the wither. If you kill one wither, you'll beat Ari.
Oh, okay, guys.
You have to kill.
Kill red.
Kill red, and you beat Ari.
Oh, this is a
Oh,
dub.
red's dead.
Oh man.
Oh,
Oh, I
wait.
get finals though.
Get 2 finals and.
Oh, I see him.
Oh, kill that final! Get that! Oh, kill him!
He's mine.
Oh no, it's stupid.
Oh my god.
No, I think I still have a chance. He needs a
Oh
kill.
my God.
He needs a kill.
Oh my god. This
Get one more kill, man! Oh, get him!
No!
Get one!
Yes, okay, good.
Oh my god. That was awesome.
Oh, he's dead.
Oh,
Oh, my
that,
throat hurts.
oh, that was sick. That was pretty awesome.
That was not.
Oh, if you get one kill and then you beat Ari. Oh my. Guy who's been playing Minecraft for 4 years loses to someone who never plays.
Wait.
Oh, my throat hurts.
This game relies
Ice
on...
cream. To clear my throat.
You're an animal. Do you...
Well, humans are technically. And get him! No!
Let's go!
Wait, how many did I get first round?
No, that's what might make the difference.
How many did I get first round?
You got 257. No, you were 200 points behind. I don't think you're gonna make that up.
200 points one.
If you get 500 here,
Just
then
saying the video's still on.
I know.
This could be a dub right here. There's only one person left for the yellow
It
team.
matters on the coin.
Wait, if we win, if we somehow pull a clutch here.
Wait, are you yellow?
Yeah, I'm yellow.
No.
Oh.
Let me see the guy. No.
He's a golem!
Nope.
A golem from Megawolf!
Nope, it's not happening.
He's a golem!
And I can tell right now, it is not happening.
Come
Well,
on.
are you judging him by his skin?
Yes.
Racism?
Racism?
He's yellow. There's no way he's gonna win.
Oh, that's my boy.
Yes, he's getting harassed.
Oh!
No!
He used his iron punch!
That's my boy.
This idiot got
Oh no,
more.
Max might beat me if... Oh, he's hacking.
What do you mean I'm gonna beat you? There's no way I'm gonna beat you.
I think he's hacking.
If this
Oh,
guy's
no.
hacking, I'm a legend.
Oh.
No way.
Oh.
Oh,
good.
man, that was close.
Our dad's-
There's a 1v1.
At the end,
Our dad's walking in the room.
480.
And he's laughing.
Nope, I don't think he's gonna
I
get it.
didn't beat you.
Nope.
I win the second game.
Okay, we're
Even
gonna
after my brother deletes
pause the
it.
video and we'll get back to you with the final final scores. Gabe has 1,011.
Yes.
Ari 861, Max 707. Well, that's the video. Leave a like and subscribe. Comment. if
Share
you-
this with your friends if you have any.
Be quiet. You shouldn't be talking about friends. Okay,
Maurice,
Thank you.
your friend Maurice.
and peace.